Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, and if you're not new, welcome back. That was so weird. Today I'm filming like a morning kind of get ready with me routine-ish thing. I haven't filmed like a morning routine, but I filmed like a night routine on my channel. It was my winter night routine. If you want me to make a spring night routine, let me know. I'll link it down below, the ones that I have made. And yeah, I dyed my hair a darker brown, if you guys cannot tell. I wanted to go back darker brown like I did before, and I thought it was really cute, so I went ahead and just dyed it with a box color, and it turned out pretty well. And now I'm just sitting at my desk, and I made some lemon water. I do this every morning, and it's like a pick-me-up thing that wakes me up, and I love it. So you're propped up against my computer, but I also made coffee, but I already drank that. And now I'm just checking my YouTube comments, and I'm going to finish getting ready. I did get dressed. I put my Tri Sigma t-shirt on, some leggings, some Nike socks, and my white Converse like the platform ones. So that's really exciting. So I'm gonna make my to-do list for the day, and then I'm gonna get going for the day. So welcome to my morning routine / behind the scenes of what I do in a day. So yeah. Hey you guys, so I just created my to-do list, and pretty much what I'm having to do today is film my morning routine, which is what I'm doing right now. Film a TikTok, Instagram picture, create my YouTube thumbnail for this video, reply to my emails, and then I have to do business ethics assignments for my class. If you guys don't know, I'm in my last 2 weeks of school until the summer, so I'm like really excited, and I cannot wait till summer so that I can really focus on my YouTube channel and just kind of taking the time to relax. But right now I have all of these things to do today. This is like the main things that I need to get done, and then in between, like, I'll do like my errands and eat lunch and dinner and stuff like that, you know, like just like day-to-day things. But this is my main things that I need to get done, and I'm going to do them. And right now I'm just going to be replying to my emails that's on my list as one of my tasks, and I'm gonna do some business ethics assignments. So yeah. Alright you guys, so I'm sitting at my dresser or my vanity, and I'm about to get ready. I popped my contacts in because today's a contacts day. I'm not wearing my glasses today, but I gotta put my sunscreen on, and I also have to moisturize, and I use the Tatcha water cream as my moisturizer, and then I use just Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch sunscreen, and it's 100+ SPF, which is what I need because I'm so white and I do not want to harm my skin by the sun. I'm very, very, very passionate about wearing sunscreen. It's very important to me, and as the weather is getting warmer, you have to like wear sunscreen. So let's do it. So now that I'm ready, I'm gonna do my business ethics assignments. I already replied to all my emails, and I still gotta create the thumbnail for this video and edit this video and my TikTok, but I do that all on this phone that I'm filming on, so I won't be able to film any of that. But just know that I'll be doing it, and stay tuned. Make sure to follow my TikTok, it'll be linked down below, and also follow my Instagram, it'll be linked down below as well. So yeah, I'm gonna do my business ethics assignments, but I'm so glad you guys clicked on this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'm so glad you guys made it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.